What's up folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code to Create. In today's video we're going to see how to use metrics in coding. So let's get started. I'm using Python language and in Spider IDE I'm using Python 3.8 and I've already created a new Python 3 file in Spider. So guys, what exactly is matrix? A matrix can be one-dimensional, two-dimensional, more than two-dimensional when numbers are just arranged in rows and columns. So it can be multi-dimensional or one-dimensional, that doesn't matter, but matrix is arranged in rows and columns. So we're going to create a Python program where we're going to put a Pokemon image inside a plot. So let's get started. First I'm going to import matplotlib. So matplotlib is a library where all plots and visualization is done. Like we can import plots, we can create plots using matplotlib. So I'm going to say import matplotlib. I'm going to come down and I'm going to import pyplot from matplotlib. So I'm going to say import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. We can do it in two ways where we can say import. The second way is we're going to say from matplotlib. We're going to import pyplot and we're going to import it as plt. I'm going to use the second way, that's way more easier. So I'm going to say from matplotlib import pyplot as plt. And then we have to create rows and columns. That means we're going to create a matrix now. And I'm going to name this matrix as data. So we can create a matrix by list, by creating a list. So it's basically list. Yeah, so we're going to create a 10 by 11 matrix. That means we're going to have 10 rows and 11 columns. Seven, 8, 9 and 10 and 11. So let's see again if we have put 11 columns. Yes, we have put 11 columns. Now we have to put 10 rows. So I'm going to say comma, we're going to come down, put another bracket, and then the same thing we're going to do. Yes. So we're going to repeat this up. Ten times. So we have completed 2 times, so we're gonna do this 8 times more. Yes, we have completed it 10 times. Now let me use plt.imshow. So this one is gonna help us show our plot. So this one is gonna show our plot here, up here in the console. And what we're going to show, that is data and the type of plot. So I'm going to say cmap is equal to hot. And then I'm going to say plt.show, that's going to show the whole plot. These 2 lines are going to help us show the plot. And here we've created our matrix. Oh, we've done a small problem. Yes. And here we have imported our library, that is matplotlib library. Now let's run this. And let me show you guys the plot. It's going to be like this. And I've set the cmap to hot. So it's going to show that type of plot. Now what we have to do is we have to show this type. We have to show a Pokemon image on this plot, right? So we're going to change a few numbers. In the second line, in the second row, we're going to change this to 0. Up here 0 again. Another 0. Okay, so how it's going to show is, all 10 in the first row. In the second row, we're going to put it as 10, 10, 10, and then 0, 0, 0. And then, I guess, yeah, we'll have to put that as 0. So we're going to put 10, 10, 10, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we have 5 zeros. And then again 10, 10, 10. And then in the third row, what we're going to do is we're going to put 10, 10. And then we need a 0. And then we need 4. And again a 4. And again a 4. a 4, a 4, and then 0, and then 10, 10. So it's gonna be, so the third row is gonna be like 10, 10, 0, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5 fours. Okay, it's gonna be up like this. Yes. So it's gonna be 10, 10, 0, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and then 0, 10, 10. And then in the fourth row, we need a 10 and then 0, and then we need 4, and then 4. The same thing that's similar to third row. 4, 4, 4, another 4, and 4, and then we need 0. So fourth row is going to be like 10, 0, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and then 0, 10. And in the fifth row we need 10, 0, 4, another 4, and another 4, and then we need a 0, and again we need 3 4s, 4, 4, and 4, and then 0, and then 10. In the sixth row we need 10, 0, and then we need 10, 0, and another 0, and then another 0, another 0, and then a 10, and then again a 0. Need 4 zeros, and then 10, and another 0, another 0, another 0, and a 0. So the sixth row, right? Yeah, it's the sixth row. Yeah. So the sixth row I have 10, 0, 0, 0, 0, 10, 0, 0, 0, 0, 10. And then the seventh row I have 10, 0, and then 10, 10, 10, 3 tens, and then another 0, and then again 10, 10, 10, 10, and then 8 we need up here, and then 10. And then in the eighth row we have 10, 10, 0, 0, 0, 10, and then 10, 10, 10, and then 10, and then we have 8, and then 10, 10. And then the last second row, that is ninth row, we're gonna have 10, 10, 10, and then a 0, and then another 0, another 0, another 0, and then another 0. Yes, so the ninth row is going to be like 10, 10, 10, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 10, 10, 10. The last row, that is the 10th row, that's going to be all 10s up. Now let's run this, and oh, there is one thing wrong, that it has to be in black, but it's in yellow. That is in the 8th coordinate, that's in the 8th matrix, then 8th row. Okay, and here we have the 10th one, and here we have the 10th one. So let's see what we put the 10th one. We have put it as 10. Okay, let's check the 9th one out. And here, oh yes guys, so I put 8 instead of 0, so let's put 0 over here, and now let's run this up. So I guess we have another 8 up here. Yes, we have it here, and let's change it to 0. Now let me run this, and yes guys, we have a Pokemon image over here. So yeah guys, now we know how to use matrix in Python. Thank you friends. Please do like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Bye bye.